Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new thing to share with you. Years ago I subscribed, I canceled, and then I don't know what made me do it, but I resubscribed to Fabfitfun. I made a year commitment. We'll see what happens. You got a discount if you signed up for a year. I, of course, will have information about Fabfitfun in the description box. This is not a sponsored video. I just thought maybe you'd be interested in seeing what I got. And I did order all makeup. Surprise, surprise. I'm going to put it on my face and I will tell you if I think it was worth it. I believe when I broke down the year subscription, it worked out to be around $50, maybe a little bit over $50 per box. So let's see. I did have an opportunity to shop on their sale page, so I believe there are two things in there from that as well. Here's what the inside of the box looks like. Very cute. I'll go ahead and show you the items that were not in my box, but that I was able to shop on the sale page. And the first one is this one. It is from JennDBeauty. It is the Watercolor Velvet Lip Tint. It retails for $12.99. I got mine for $7. It says here, this hydrating lip tint glides on as a lightweight liquid and sets with a velvety matte finish. With its lightweight serum texture, this tint delivers long-lasting color that keeps lips comfortably moisturized for hours. We'll go ahead and swatch it. Oh, looks quite sheer and feels very cool on my skin. It's a little more berry than red, but you can probably build it up. It was definitely a pleasure to apply. It felt cool, it felt thin, it felt gel-like. We'll see if it feels drying. And of course, I'll let you know how long it wears. I like the way it feels when it's dry. And no transfer. That's nice. I've always been curious about JennDBeauty. I don't think I've ever tried anything from them. Let me know what products you like from the brand. The other thing that I got in the shopping section was this Zari Eyes eyeshadow from Kulfi. It is a highly pigmented and long-lasting buildable cream eyeshadow that blends seamlessly into skin for a radiant flush of color. It retails for $30. It was on sale for $13, so I picked it up. Last month, I did mention that I had picked up another shade, and this is the shade Sona Sona. I used it once. I really liked it, but I didn't use it enough to put it in my favorites and fails. But just based on the YouTube creators that I know and trust, when I saw the opportunity to get it for $12, I jumped on it. So here's Sona Sona. Stunning. I love the texture. I love the color. I definitely will be wearing it more this month so that I can tell you all about it in my December faves and fails. And this new color that I picked up is called Bronze Brocade. Oh, that looks really pretty. Let me go ahead. If you've never tried these, they feel really silky and soft and gel-like, but a little bit goes a long way. They dry down. Ooh. So pretty. I did put a little bit of bronzer in my crease. I just have the Wet n Wild on. I'm going to link everything in the description box. They are affiliate links. If you choose to shop with them, I make a small commission, and I thank you so much because it supports me and my channel. Bronze Brocade. Ooh. Look how pretty. Feels like it's giving me time to blend, which I appreciate. Oh wow, that is gorgeous. Very nice. I'm just going to take a little blending brush and make sure that I've gotten it all the way up into the crease, or at least blend that bronzer in with that shade. There is some paperwork in the box. Here is a card that says, "Happy holidays this season. We're more grateful than ever for you, our incredible Fabfitfun community. Happy holidays from our family to yours. Wishing you endless cheer and a fabulous 2025. And a few surprises along the way. Katie and the Fabfitfun team." Very nice. Now I'm getting into the 6 items that I chose for my $52-ish for this quarter. And this is the Pat McGrath Labs Permagel Ultra Glide Eye Pencil in Extreme Black. It retails for $29. Ultra versatile, doesn't dry immediately, so you have time to smudge. It doesn't skip, wears up to 8 hours. I've heard really good things about the Pat McGrath liners, but I never wanted to pay $29 for one. And here it is. It comes with a little sharpener, which is very nice. Let's go ahead and swatch. Feels very creamy. I like to really just keep it on the outer half, maybe pull it up a little bit on the end for a little bit of lift. Take a little tiny brush. This one's from e.l.f. It is letting me smudge it. Very nice. Just for giggles, let me put it a little bit in my waterline. Next, I picked out this mascara from Tower 28. This is the Make Waves mascara. It got a lot of good hype on the internet. I never picked it up. It retails for $20, which is not bad. I'm just more of a drugstore mascara kind of gal. But to have an opportunity to try it here, yes. It says online that it is so comfortable you won't even bat an eye. This endlessly buildable vegan formula lengthens and volumizes your lashes without any of the annoying clumping or smudging. Let's take a look. I do like the wand. So far, so good. I like what it's doing. Wow, definitely length and separation. Let me go in with the second coat, BRB. Here is one eye. Wow, that is really, really pretty. Lots of length and separation and volume. Let me go ahead and add the 2 coats on this side, and I'll be right back. All right, that is beautiful. The next item is this from Hourglass. This is the Hourglass Vanish Blush Stick in Loyal. Retails for $46. It is beautiful. Look at that. Loving the color. Yes. I'm going to start by putting the brush on here. This is the JennDBeauty F06, which, by the way, did you see? JennDBeauty just released a palette. Mine is en route. Cannot wait. That's pretty. I love when the blush is a little more matte because I feel like I can go a little closer, a little more under my eyes. I've been really enjoying sort of this look. Very neutral. I like it. Next, I picked this lipstick from Pat McGrath. This is her Matte Trance lipstick. Retails for $39. Mine is in the shade Flesh 3. It says here, this revolutionary powder in a bullet smooth matte lipstick layers lips with an intensely saturated, sublimely lightweight veil of color in a single swipe. I've owned a couple of these. I don't believe that I've ever owned Flesh 3. Look at that. Pat McGrath packaging is gorgeous. Love the little heart. Oh, this one's different. Normally it's a lip. This one is a heart. I like that. It's very luxury feeling, very heavy. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. We go ahead and swatch it. We go right here with it. Ooh. The texture of these lipsticks are so nice. It feels like nothing on the lips. It looks very velvety. It's super duper long lasting. The next item in my box is this one from the brand Riddle. The Muse Roll-On Fragrance Oil. Easiest way to smell good all day. This fragrance oil has a light, fresh scent and is easy to carry with you when you're out and about. Just a quick dab on your neck or wrist delivers delicious notes of peach coconut, peony balanced with bergamot, sandalwood, and musk. I'm loving some fragrance right now. Did I tell you? This one retails for $58. Not love at first sniff. Let me wait a minute. Now I can smell the sweet peach. I smell a bit of peach. I like it. The last item in my box is this First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I got mine in the scent Vanilla. Retails for $18. Get ahead of winter dryness with this Ultra Repair Cream and a delicious vanilla scent. Deliver ultimate hydration with this fast-absorbing top-tier cream that protects your skin thanks to key ingredients such as colloidal oatmeal. This cream is so effective it can even help eczema and improve your skin barrier. Funny story, I forgot that this was in my box. I just got it today. I was out shopping with my sister yesterday, purchased this, and brought it home. Wasn't paying attention. My son got into it, got the seal off, and squeezed the entire bottle all over himself. So this was just meant to be. I'm glad that I got a replacement. I was so sad. Luke loves to squeeze everything out. If you're not paying attention, he will dump drinks, he will do all the things. Let me get the makeup off my hand. Okay, here we go. The rep at Ulta was telling me that this cream is fabulous. I know I've heard good things about it. Let's go ahead and put it on. It's a very mild vanilla scent, which I appreciate. Of course, I'm smelling that perfume now, which is nice. I'm liking it. Very good. I will keep this in my car most likely. That's what the other one was going to be for. I'm going to put a little bit more on my sad little thumbs. My thumbs get so dry, they even crack. Let's talk about my favorites and was the box worth it. For the add-ons, this bronze brocade from Kulfi and this Joa lip stain, I like them both. Of course, I'm gonna have to wear this more, let you know how it wears throughout the day, how it wears through eating, but great price, happy to try it. And I do like to put a lip stain on underneath my lip color. A lot of times if I want my lipstick to really last, maybe I'm going out, it's kind of an added insurance to have a little color on your lips when the lip color you have on is going to fade. The Kulfi, absolutely. I could even see wearing these two shades together, but the bronze brocade on its own is gorgeous. I love it. Such a soft, sparkly look, and it is completely dry. So adding everything up, these 6 items, total retail is $210. I paid roughly $52. Do I love everything in front of me? No. Do I like most of it? Yes. My only complaint with the lipstick is that it seems a bit dark, but the formula, absolutely. I could add a gloss. I could do something to brighten it up. I keep looking around to see if I have a gloss that would brighten it. Let me try a little bit of this Maybelline Lifter Gloss in gold. The Tower 28, absolutely one of the top items in the box. I'm so glad I got it. Pat McGrath liner, beautiful. The Hourglass blush, yes, I definitely see me wearing this a lot. I love the luxe packaging. I love the shade. I feel very sun-kissed, natural, and neutral. This Loyal shade, stunning. The perfume, not sure about. We'll see how it lays down. We'll see what it smells like in an hour. Sometimes it takes a minute. Right now, it's okay. The lotion feels lovely. Very, very nice on my dry winter skin. Overall, I am very happy that I joined Fabfitfun again. We shall see what my offerings of the next box will be. I'm assuming that will be spring. I had fun making my selections, and there were definitely non-makeup choices. I just liked what they were offering in the makeup category, so that was where I went. I hope this was enjoyable for you. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment, even if it's just a heart, to let me know you were here. I thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.